So far I've done some brief sorting, and now I'm in the further categorizing and aligning up items with the proper sets is my next process right now. So I've collected bottoms and tops and trying to tie them together, keep them easily organized and accessible to find later on. So that is my goal as of today, is to make everything easier to find, easier to look for, and chat me up. Love to talk to you, keep me busy, and if you'd like to see more of me, please check out the link in the bio. I just recently got kicked out of my other profile. My live function is supposedly for nude sexual activity. I did not do as such. I'm a little disappointed about that, but it's their platform. What? I got some profiles. I'll just keep going. I'm having fun. All right, add 3 sets together. Ooh, there's a butterfly. So I was trying to find the butterfly top, bottom, and extra bottom, which I just found. All right, nice and organized, easy to find. It's beach season. I gotta make sure my bikinis and other beach attire is organized and ready to go at a moment's notice so I can go paddleboarding. Because when the wind's good, I gotta take advantage of it. Come on, 4, 5, 6 miles an hour is best. You know, 8, okay, 9, I'll do it. 10, I really, really want to go. But I'm gonna go out. I know it's gonna be a trek. So 11 miles an hour gust, you know, I will not be paddleboarding. Oh, here's my top. So it's been just a cluster of organization. You don't realize how unorganized you are until you have to. Until you have to. It's amazing. No, if I do that. There we go. There we go. Everything halfway through the pile, so everything's now kind of making it easy to appear. Ooh, and even out the strings. It is interesting. Ooh, that definitely does not go on. Oh, okay, so here's the. I think there's a three set with this one as well. Okay, there we go. Knew I was gonna find something. And I figure if I do this, it'll be easier to find everything and then less mess later. Hopeful, optimistic, and with reasonable goals. That is what I try to go in with. And I'm listening to lo-fi. If you guys are wondering, lo-fi it is. And anybody new? Link in bio. Link in. Bye. There is. Alright. I am still not seeing that bright. I might have to peel apart another bag. But I need to organize these 5 bag boxes first before I can go hunting through that pink bag of travel, which is a mess. That is the reason why I'm looking at it as I don't want to. Because I know it's going to be a monster. There's just so much stuff in there. Like, I try to plan for the apocalypse sometimes when I go on my adventures. Because you never know what you're going to run into. You need to make sure you have like every type of outfit that runs into you. If somebody was wearing the same outfit you have to figure out find a different outfit, or figure out how to change it. Or if somebody else needs an extra outfit, so you make sure you have a spare outfit that's similar to the theme, but it's different, so they have something unique, but and is a backup for you as well, just in case you need to change, and helps out a buddy. And then what if there's one girl that wants to do a costume change? Costume change! And the costume change, and then you want to make sure you're on ball and staying up for the costume change. Kind of excessive, but depends if you like it or not. I mean, I like getting dolled up. I like getting dressed up. I enjoy those activities. I just cracked my back and my foot's asleep. Alright, this is the bottoms. Let's tie the bottoms. Ooh. Alright, that's 1. That's 2. This is the top. Ooh. Material on this is awesome. I said the iridescent stuff. It's a blue pattern with a red freckles reflectant on a cheetah pattern. Oh, this one's a better color. Better. Ooh. That foot asleep is not pleasant. The blood is coming back to the surface. Ooh. I love this is neon. Oh, neon, bright in your face. Pay attention to me, Daddy. Ooh, I'm not liking what I'm coming up here. I'm finding a lot of mismatches. Now, we're getting to it. Oh, okay. Trying to figure out why that was so wonky. Make it even. I've had this one forever. It's, and I earlier said I didn't like purple, but I've realized how much purple I really have. I like it a lot. This is a black lace. stretch that back. This is a brand new bikini I have yet to try. As I said, there's no way to tie this, or is there? There we go. Oh, I try to be sexy on this one. My Baywatch one. But the thing is, these straps are so hard to keep up over your body. It is ridiculous. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, I've worn it, but half the time I sit there and I'm just like, shoulder, 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 and it just drives me insane. So I do want to keep it, but just, oof. Ooh, Halloween costume. Ooh. Start tying things so I can see where I'm at. This was a cute little bikini I got. Where is the bottoms for it though? Oh, so for the bottoms for this one, for the itsy bitsy red one. So I'm not. I have continue the. There we go. Okay, there we go. I have a nude top, bikini top, put there. I have a pink, green, and black, which I'll put with the black with this black bikini top, just so I can keep everything from disappearing or staying slightly together. Oh, now we go. Here we go. Twisty, twisty. They are adorable. This is off Amazon. It was so worth it. Alright. I'm not sure if I will rescue this or not, but we'll put this aside. The trash pile. Still have yet 3 bikinis, two bottoms, 1 top in the hunt. Oh, this is a wrap bikini. This is pretty cool. It does cover up on it actually, surprisingly. And top and bottom to this, which I had yet to figure out. Trying to figure this out here. So let's call this an arm socket. This is the tail front. Let's call this tail front. This is an arm socket. Face them down, tie them in their front. Okay. So I got that, which just doesn't look right, but I can see it doing this and might have to tie it tighter, but I think I got it for right now. It is kind of skimpy. We'll put it with, but yeah, skimpy. But it's on surely skimpy. It is a skimpy one. All right. These 3 left. So as I said, yet to find the bottom to this, the top to this one, and the bottom to this. Which I know it is still out there. But I gotta be patient and keep looking. I will put them aside for the moment being. Let's put these away so I know I can organize the rest of the stuff. 2 boxes down. Did I even? Yes, I did. Yeah, 3 boxes down, 2 to go. Oh, no, 2 boxes down, 3 to go. Out of 5 that I pulled down to organize, sort, and properly review for my collection of my closet of my beautiful pieces. Oh, my footie's asleep. Oh no, my foot is asleep. No. Alright, so I've organized the bra, underwear, and undies. Organize the bikinis, organize the safe bikinis. Box it out of here. Next, I have the nightstand as well. What coworkers? I don't have any coworkers. So, 3 of these boxes empty. I almost consider pouring out my pink bag as well. It's a big old duffel bag. Because it has a lot of stuff in there as well, which may change how I go about this process. Because there might be more of this or more of that, and I'm organizing this as such, and I shouldn't be. Okay, so that's where my brain currently is. I'm trying to like, should I do the, let me show you the bag. I take this in everywhere I go. Everywhere. Just about. This yoga bag is my friend. This has everything I need. Oh. And it looks like somebody in our room that we rented together last weekend left us this. It kind of gets silly, but it's kind of cool. Like, gonna get tossed. Yeah. Oh, we need to sort out the accessories still. And the garters out still. So if we don't, they'd get smushed back into everything. Let's just start pulling it all out. It's a never-ending. There is no excuse not to have a bomb-diggity outfit in this show. I'm wanting to turn heads and have there we go. I knew there was more. Damn. Ooh. I can't wait for an outfit so I can pull those off. Do you think I can pull those off cool? Okay. First things first. Everything's out in the open. Let's provide a more in-depth clean. So I've emptied it out. Got another bikini. Haven't worn yet. Oh, that's how my bikinis get here in a silicone bag. Cause they're so itty bitty tiny. Okay. T-shirt. Come on, commercials. You suck. Pleasure sweetness. Let's keep sorting. Gotta do it all over. Sarah, sort. More cool gym outfits. More sexy yoga. I gotta feed my piggy. Ooh, more booty shorts. See? That's where all my other stuff went. Oh, remember that silly, I mentioned COVID mask thing the company made with their outfit? This is the outfit that matched the powder. It glows in the dark, and it's actually pretty cool looking. But it's just like, I don't need a mask. I think it's silly. I love those colors. Isn't it cute? Like, oh, I love it. Patterns, designs, shapes, colors. They're all inspiring. They're all beautiful. I mean, how do you not love colors and designs? Textures and shapes. It's material. I mean, they make the world go around. They clothe you, they make you feel comfortable, they give you confidence, ego, brilliance. And it's a way to show your identity. Sometimes you're able to. More bikinis. I knew I had more. That initial run through of organization just didn't seem thorough. Now I can be more thorough. I got these. I don't think I've worn them. They're a little too small. No, get rid of them. Oh, body stockings are my friends. So, I guess I've done them all. I have tons of them. Uh-oh. Ah. I love it. I forgot I had this. All right, so this is the dress, obviously cover dress. There we go, in right-sided. The dress, but it's a cover, so it's a beachy thing, or it's sexy because it's rhinestones. It has to be a cover-up somehow, or layer over, because there's no way it can be decent. So we'll put in the beach covers in the time being. No, I'm not trying to haul, I'm just trying to organize. This is all my stuff. All my stuff I need to reorganize. Like, it's a haul in one sense. All my stuff. More beach, more. Oh, there's the bottoms. And the lack of organization that I actually have, and that I need to provide further structure if I'm going to support this mess that I have in my show you. Alright, socks. Oh, this is an escapade among itself. Socks. Between the body stockings and the socks, it's coming out of my ass. I think I could every day wear a body stocking. No, I wear the same one. Lingerie. Body stocking. Deodorizers. Always gotta have them in your bag. I'm gonna get the sealed ones in a different section because it's easier to handle the sealed ones. Here's the top to one of those bottoms I was looking for. Fuck yeah. Okay, it's bikini, which I made, which will be put over in the bikini section for the moment. This is a bikini. We'll be stalking. Ooh, I made this too. It's actually pretty hot. Body stocking. Oh, yeah. Sometimes there's blues. Imagine. Perfect. Darn. My poor little feet like just asleep. And the nerves go. Oh! I have a place for socks. There. More strappy. I need to probably organize straps so well. Ooh, I got another bikini. Knew I had more. Woo! Lingerie. Ooh, there's the top. To this bikini. Ooh. This is some rave gear I just have yet to, I got but I have yet to try on. Oh, don't fall apart. Ordered it from ordered it from the UK. Because it looked really adorable and something different, but I'm just like, I'm not really trying to figure out how to interpret it. I ordered it and I don't know what it looks like anymore. I just know I ordered it from, oh, maybe it's the ties here. As I said, like supporting businesses on Etsy. I know they take a percentage, but I understand. I like the free commerce, or I like the commerce of the platform, especially going through another foreign country to avoid our U.S. taxes. Hey, okay, fine, I can appreciate it. To pay lower tax rates for corporate businesses. Okay, gotcha. As long as they're supporting the small businesses in the process, sure. Oh, like, okay, you can see, understand why, right? Because the pattern is the material is so adorable. Like, and look at the like, I can just see that sitting over the hip nicely, and it's a French cut tip as well, so it cut nice and high. So in the flares, so you can understand why I wanted to get this off. And then I have the other one right here. Okay.
Most people saw 90% clear skin at 16 weeks. The majority of people saw 90% clear skin even at 5 years. Serious allergic reactions like Trim 5 may increase.
So, yeah, I totally forgot I ordered this. So it was dropped down probably a lot lower. Yeah, I definitely was trying to deal that out when I was shopping. I said shopping was a bad habit, right? Cause it's adorable though. Like for how high this is, I know when I put it on, it's gonna be like here, and like half my tush is gonna be showing anyways, so I'm not worried as much. But like, look at it, isn't that adorable? Okay, hold on, and she understands how high it is and gives you a cute little like skirt to flow over it. I know it's a whole garter belt thing all over again, but I just the idea of a cute little skirt. Oh. So I'm waiting for that perfect moment where I'm like, oh, we need a fairy theme, and I'm like, what do you mean? I'm glowing a golden fairy. Because they did that one, the fairy tale one. I had an awesome gold dress. Because obviously the outfit didn't warrant, but still, I'm looking forward to using it. I am. Ooh. It smells dirty. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Crop top. It's a backup clothes. There is this is the bottom. Now all I'm looking for is the top. And then I also possibly have another bag. So I'll have a full pink bag pulled out, as well as 3 boxes that are 9 by 8 and another bag of lingerie. As I said, I think I have a lot. So, and I have 2 other full boxes of full lingerie as well that probably need some organization. But ooh, actually it's cute. Okay, so I haven't worn some. I haven't worn it yet. So bikini top, lingerie, body stocking. Sometimes I just do initial just so I can do a second, right? I'm gonna do initial evaluations where you do a second or a third. get reacquainted with all of my beautiful lingerie. Reacquainted. Ooh, these are some cute booty shots. Thank you. These booty shorts are awesome. You've probably seen them all over online. There's ones that the cuts, the slicing on the tush. Or let me go pull my arm in so you can see what I'm talking about. You've seen them. You've seen a bunch of people wear them before. They got the little slices in them. And it's awesome. I think I might need. I need to wash them. Ooh, my other OnlyFans top. I've been looking for that. So I officially found the white one and the black one. And I probably should double check where I have the bottoms. So I do have bottoms as well. So still looking for the top of this one. Body stocking lingerie. More body stocking stuff. Ooh. Here. A little lingerie. Put that together. Oh, that's where it came from. Okay. That makes sense. Woo. Okay. Oh, these are stockings. I'm not going to open them. More lingerie. I'm not going to open that. Oh, this was so damn adorable. I had the red and the black version. Girls, gotta find it. Sometimes I keep the boxes, sometimes I don't. It's worth it. I know I'm recommending something I can't even get off open right, but it still is. When I put it on, it's okay. I need to get the rock stones crystals put together, organized, because I've realized they're just everywhere. More lingerie. Accessories. I gotta put the rear outfit. Body. Okay. I don't even know what this is. Right? Trash. Oh, this is a crop top with the... There we go. There we go. See, some things just weren't being opened. I know what that is. So I know, yeah. Alright, and what is 10? Honeysuckle bar. Oh, see, I also love getting my soaps off of there. There's honeysuckle jasmine blossom. This is an extra I keep in my travel bag. This conditioner bar. Oh, delicious smelling. Accessories. There. Oh no. Body neck stockings. Oh, sealed ones at least. Oh, ow. Okay. That actually was pretty good. I was able to find, the only thing I still have yet to be able to find is the top for this. I done a lot of organizing, sorting, I have to say I'm very impressed with my sorting at the moment. It is getting a little bit better. I'm seeing what I have and what I don't, and I haven't seen a lot of my pairs and are still together for the most part. There's still some stuff I'm still missing, but that's going to be another topic until then. But please see link in bio. I'm going to go. I need to get some lunch. I need to feed my piggy, and I will see you guys back probably for yoga. If anything, check my other profiles in the Kittibelle numbers. That is me. Go on there live, follow me. I go live on all the platforms. I try to rotate. So if you want to find me, rotate through and look at them and check them. If you want to find me, I'm there. I promise you. Just gotta maybe on a different number than you are on today. So. Goodbye. Thank you for joining.